Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind vs You. In this playlist we are learning how to improve your calculation skills. Part 1, Improve Addition. This video is helpful for all those who wants to increase their calculation skills but don't know where to start. Whether you are a NEET aspirant, JEE aspirant, whether you are giving banking PU exam, SSC or any other competitive exam, or you are a student from a school, I guarantee you that this playlist will benefit you tremendously and it will take you one step closer to achieving your goals. Alright, so up till now we have learned the addition of one digit number with another one digit number. If you have not watched the previous videos, I urge you to go through this link and watch it completely, practice it, memorize it and make it your reflex memory. And the time required to complete those sessions will be based upon your proficiency skills, your level. But after watching those videos, when you hear someone next time saying 8 plus 7, 9 plus 8, 6 plus 5, you will be giving a quick response, and that quick response is actually a prerequisite for the upcoming video. Okay, moving on to the next level, we will learn the addition of two digit number with another one digit number. Okay, it's very easy. I'll show you how. First of all, let's take 10 plus 2. Here just add unit digit with unit digit. 0 plus 2 is 2, so the number becomes 12. Next is 32 plus 7. Here 7 plus 2, you know it is 9, so the number becomes 39. Next is, I'll take little higher number, 65 plus 8. Here 8 plus 5 is 13. Now in this case I don't want you to do it in this way, like 65 plus 8 and then we were like adding 8 plus 5 is 13, you take a carry 1 and then 6 plus 1 and you get the answer 73. No, I want you to do 5 plus 8 is, you know that it is 13, so that one extra will be added here and the number becomes 73. You will do it in your mind. Let me take another one. Let's say you have 82 plus 9. Now 9 plus 2 is 11, so the number becomes 91. Okay, one more, like you have let's say 72 plus 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7, so the number becomes 77. Now let's do some practice. Let's try to do this addition in the same way that I have taught you in the earlier slide. Okay, moving on. 27 plus 5, right? 32. 34 plus 6, 40. 43 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, so the answer becomes 47. Next, 18 plus 8. Now 8 plus 8 is how much? 16, so the answer becomes 26. 52 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 and the answer becomes 55. Correct. 36 plus 9. 9 plus 6 is 15, so the answer becomes 45. Moving on, you have 22 plus 5, 27. 78 plus 4, little higher number. 8 plus 4 is 12, so the answer becomes 82. Next is 57 plus 8. Now 8 plus 7 real quick, 15. Correct. So the answer becomes 65. Okay, so now you have learned the method and it is very easy for you, I am sure. But let me tell you one thing, the key behind improving the calculation skills is not method, but guess what? Practice it. Coming to that, there is a link given in the description box below Just go through that link and you will find a worksheet as shown in the video here. Okay, so this is the worksheet that you will get from the website. Copy all these numbers in your notes along with all the numbers written over here. Once done, the next step is to add. First we will add 6 plus 23. It is 29. Then we will add 6 plus 65. It becomes 71. Then we will add 6 plus 32, 38. Keep going till you reach last block. Then we will move on to the next row. 4 plus 23 is 27. 4 plus 65 is how much? 69. And you will keep going till you reach last block. And the same way we are going to fill out this complete worksheet, and it is very important that you note somewhere the time that is taken by you. Now, the good thing about increasing your calculation speed is that you can measure it. How? Through timing. I have done some research and found that an average student will take around 5 to 7 minutes to complete this worksheet, and I recommend you to make it your goal to complete a worksheet in 2 minutes. Until that time, you have to practice it daily and for around 5 to 10 minutes. It will not take much of your time from one day, but you have to do it consistently and it will take you there. You can even target less time if you want it. It's completely up to you. Okay guys, that's all from my side for today. If you like this video, please like it and please share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye and keep practicing.